Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on January 11th, 2022. 5-star Sudoku. Please like if you are watching this video. Column H, column J, we have pair numbers 5 and 9. So 5 and 9, it can't come in these cells. It will come in any one of the cells. We'll confirm later. In this grid, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 9th row also we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then column H, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. We'll confirm later. Fifth row, we have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come in the cell. It will come any one of the cell. 7th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. The 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. In this grid, only one number is remaining. We don't know 1 or 7. It will come in any one of the cell. We'll confirm later. Third row and fourth row we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells. Column J also we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column E and column G we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Fifth row we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. And column G also we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column I we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 9th row also we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column B and column D we have 2. So 2 can't come in these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column J we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells. Third row and fourth row also we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column D we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. Column E and column G also we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells. Column J also we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column D we have 6 and the second row also we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 will come in any one of the cells. We'll confirm later. 8th row and 10th row we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells. And column B we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column E and column F we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. 8th row and 10th row we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. Column B we have 8. So 8 can't come in these cells. Second row also we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. Then 9 is confirmed here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. We will confirm later. Column B, column C, we have 2. So 2 can't come in these cells. Column E also we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. Column I also we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, then 2 is confirmed here. 8th row we have 8, so 8 can't come in these cells. 8 will come any one of the cells, we confirm later. 8th row and 10th row we have 8. 8 can't come in these cells. 8 will come any one of the cells, we will confirm later. 10th row and in this grid we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell. 7 will come any one of the cell, we will confirm later. Column D and 10th row we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell. 7 will come any one of the cell, we will confirm later. Column E, column F we have 2, so 2 can't come in these cells. Second row and fourth row also we have 2, so 2 can't come in these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Third row and fourth row we have 1, so 1 can't come in these cells. 1 will come any one of the cells, we'll confirm later. 8th row also we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, then 1 is confirmed here. Since 1 is here, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 7 is here, then here 7 is confirmed. 8th row and 10th row we have 8, so 8 can't come in these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. 9th row only one number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. In this grid only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Column E and column G we have 8, so 8 can't come in these cells. 4th row also we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, then 8 is confirmed here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7, we will confirm later. 5th row we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell. 7 will come any one of the cells, we will confirm later. 2nd row we have 7, so 7 can't come in these cells. Column G also we have 7, so 7 can't come in these cells, then 7 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 8th row 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. In this grid we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, then 7 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. 8th grid 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. 10th row we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. 10th row 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8, we will confirm later. 2nd row and 4th row we have 7, so 7 can't come in these cells. Column I also we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, then 7 is confirmed here. Column J only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Column I 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6, we will confirm later. Column C we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, then 1 is confirmed here. Column E we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, then 1 is confirmed here. Column E only one number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Since 5 is here, 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. In this grid, only two numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Fourth row we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Since 4 is here, 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Third row, only one number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Fourth row, only one number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Fifth row, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column C we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here, then 9 is here, then 9 is confirmed here. Column G, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 5. Sixth row we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column C, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Sixth row we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column B, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Seventh row we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.